Iphondo belisebenzisa le nkqubo inye ye-safety dashboard ukuzama ukuqobisana ne-COVID-19. Esi sixhobo ngoku siza kusetyenziswa kulinge lokulwa ulwaphulo-mthetho. Izibhedlele nazo ziza kuncedisa ngokunikezela ngolwazi lweziganeko ezenzekayo.
Like in Wales, where it was found that the majority of the violence, crime that is happening in the community don't get reported to the police. And as yet, the emergency centers in those areas in Cardiff, they were actually getting so many of those.
I'm deeply optimistic because I've seen the successes in terms of using data in order to effectively inform our deployment of LEAP officers, and the department has been strategic in analysing the data that we receive from the Department of Health.
Inkulu baphathisa kweli phondo ithi le nkqubo iza kuba luncedo olukhulu emapoliseni.
Anybody involved in the safety of our region is able to draw down on this data, and what we will also design is something that actually the public can see, just like we did with COVID-19.
El phondo lijonge ukunciphisa iziganeko zokubulawa kwabantu ngesiqingatha ngoncedo lwesi sixhobo.